Welcome to Sam Official Tech. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming every aspect of our world. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's reshaping industries, revolutionizing how we live and work, and raising important ethical questions about the future. Stay with us as we explore the incredible ways AI is changing the world around us. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced systems analyzing complex medical data, AI is present in many areas of our lives. It's a field that has grown rapidly and is expected to continue to revolutionize how we approach challenges in health, business, education, and even our personal lives. One of the most common applications of AI is in the form of virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These systems use natural language processing (NLP) to understand and respond to human speech. Smart home devices, powered by AI, are also becoming a staple in many households, controlling lights, security cameras, thermostats, and more. AI makes everyday tasks simpler and more efficient, shaping how we interact with technology. AI is transforming the healthcare industry by enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, far more quickly than a human, identifying potential health issues earlier. AI is also playing a critical role in personalized medicine, where treatment plans are tailored to individual patients based on their genetic data. The use of AI in drug discovery is also speeding up the process of bringing new medicines to market. Education is being transformed by AI as well. Personalized learning platforms, powered by AI, adapt to the needs of individual students, providing customized learning experiences. AI tools are also helping educators in grading and assessments, allowing them to focus more on teaching. Moreover, AI is breaking down barriers for people with disabilities by providing assistive technologies that enable more inclusive learning environments. Businesses are leveraging AI to automate routine tasks, improve decision-making processes, and enhance customer service. From AI-driven chatbots handling customer inquiries to algorithms that analyze market trends, companies are relying on AI to gain a competitive edge. AI-powered analytics help businesses identify patterns in large data sets, leading to better strategic decisions. Automation, meanwhile, is streamlining processes in industries like manufacturing, retail, and finance. One of the most anticipated applications of AI is in autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber are leading the charge in developing self-driving cars that use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. AI systems in these vehicles process data from cameras, sensors, and GPS to make real-time decisions. While fully autonomous cars are not yet widely available, the technology is advancing rapidly, and its potential to reduce accidents and reshape the transportation industry is immense. AI is playing a major role in transforming the financial sector. AI-powered algorithms are being used to detect fraud, making transactions more secure. Investment firms are utilizing AI to analyze vast amounts of data and identify profitable trends and investment opportunities. Robo-advisors, which use AI to provide financial advice and manage portfolios, are also becoming more common, offering personalized financial management without the need for human advisors. AI is also making waves in the media and entertainment industries. Algorithms can now generate realistic images, music, and even written content. AI-powered video editing tools can streamline the production process, while machine learning models are being used to create hyper-realistic CGI characters in films. AI's ability to analyze user preferences is also revolutionizing streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify, offering more personalized recommendations based on past behavior. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming how businesses interact with their customers. These AI tools can handle a wide range of customer queries, from answering simple questions to troubleshooting more complex issues. By automating these tasks, businesses can provide 24/7 customer support while reducing operational costs. As AI technology improves, these virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, offering increasingly human-like interactions. With the rise of digital data, cybersecurity has become a major concern for businesses and governments alike. AI is helping to improve cybersecurity by identifying potential threats before they cause harm. AI algorithms can detect unusual patterns in network traffic, flagging possible cyberattacks in real time. This proactive approach to cybersecurity is essential in an age where data breaches and ransomware attacks are becoming more common. AI is transforming the agriculture industry by enabling farmers to optimize their operations and increase productivity. AI-driven systems are being used to monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and automate irrigation systems. Drones equipped with AI technology are also being used to survey fields and identify areas that need attention. This technology is making farming more efficient and sustainable, helping to feed a growing global population. Retailers are using AI to provide more personalized shopping experiences for customers. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze customer behavior and suggest products that align with their preferences. In store, AI-driven systems are being used to manage inventory and predict demand, ensuring that popular products are always available. AI is also helping retailers improve their supply chains by optimizing delivery routes and reducing waste. As AI continues to develop, it raises important ethical questions. Issues such as data privacy, job displacement due to automation, and the potential for AI systems to make biased decisions are all areas of concern. Governments and businesses must work together to ensure that AI is used responsibly and that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly across society. AI is playing a key role in space exploration, helping scientists analyze vast amounts of data from space missions. AI is being used to identify patterns in data collected from distant planets and stars, helping researchers gain a deeper understanding of the universe. Autonomous robots, powered by AI, are also being used in space missions to explore areas that are too dangerous or remote for humans. Looking ahead, the potential for AI is virtually limitless. AI is expected to continue transforming industries and improving our daily lives. From healthcare breakthroughs to self-driving cars, the future promises exciting developments. AI algorithms can detect unusual patterns in network traffic, flagging possible cyberattacks in real time. This proactive approach to cybersecurity is essential in an age where data breaches and ransomware attacks are becoming more common. AI-powered video editing tools can streamline the production process, while machine learning models are being used to create hyper-realistic CGI characters in films. AI's ability to analyze user preferences is also revolutionizing streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify, offering more personalized recommendations based on past behavior. AI is transforming the agriculture industry by enabling farmers to optimize their operations and increase productivity. AI-driven systems are being used to monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and automate irrigation systems. Drones equipped with AI technology are also being used to survey fields and identify areas that need attention. However, as AI becomes more advanced, it will be essential to address the ethical challenges and ensure that AI is used to benefit humanity as a whole. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is changing the world at a rapid pace, and its impact will only continue to grow. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with challenges that society must address. By embracing this technology responsibly, we can harness its power to improve industries, enhance our lives, and shape a better future. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into how AI is changing the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to Sam Official Tech and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights into the tech trends that are shaping our future. Until next time.